Hi, welcome to Glow's Kindred Kitchen, and I'm Glow. Well, tonight I thought we could make some steamed peas together, and with this particular dish I'm going to be adding some fresh mint and butter. So let's go ahead and get started. I went ahead and I filled up this bowl with, at the most, maybe a teaspoon and a half of water. And to that I'm going to add some peas. This is actually a steamable bag, but it's just Richard and I tonight for dinner, and we don't need this whole bag. So I'm just going to put some in here. We're actually having salmon patties for dinner, and we usually have peas with salmon patties. So I think that's probably enough for the two of us. Is that enough, do you think, or should we do a little more?
A little bit more.
Okay.
That's good.
All right. So what I do is I don't even put salt on it at this point or anything. I'm going to go ahead and put a lid on it. I'm going to put it in my microwave and turn it on for 2 minutes at power level 8, and then I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Well, I just took our peas out of the microwave, and let's take a look. So they're not completely done yet, but they're getting close. Oh, that one just jumped right out. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of mint, and this is mint from our yard. It grows crazy. Yeah, if you have mint in your yard and you don't keep it contained in a container, it will just take over an area. But this is excellent mint. I even dry it for the winter time, but the fresh is so good. So I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle that in. In fact, here's what it looks like on the plant. And I'm going to put a little bit of salt, not much. That's just a tad.
How much was that, Miss Glow?
Oh, at the most, maybe 1/16 of a teaspoon.
Okay.
Not much at all.
All right.
And then a little pat of butter. See how thin that is?
Yep.
So I'm going to go ahead and put it back in the microwave, power level 8, for another 1 minute, and it should be done. So I'll be back then. Well, I just took the peas out of the microwave for that final minute, and they're steaming. Oh, they smell so good with that mint on them. Mm-mm-mm. Oh, that smells really good.
It does.
I'm going to hold it up so you guys can see. See how easy that was to do, too? It's just, peas you can do quite a few things with. You could add bacon to them. You can make these creamed, and we'll do some other videos showing you how to do all of that. But this is just very simple for a hot evening. So I'll be back in a little bit, and we'll sample it together. Well, our peas are cool enough now that I can sample them. Oh, they smell so good. With just that hint of mint to them. You don't want to overdo it, but it's just delicious. Mmm. Telling you guys, these are so delicious. Wish you were here to share this with us. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. And if you have, please give me a like and share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we would really appreciate it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.